Yes, Marcus?
So you all right, Jess?
I was. I was having a lovely day, and then you walked in with that haircut.
What's wrong with my hair?
Nothing. Nothing's wrong with it. For a man who's just been mugged off by his barber.
Mugged off? I paid 25 quid for this.
You paid 25 quid to look like a Lego man.
Allow it.
I'm not gonna allow it.
Nah, be honest. Is it actually that bad?
Marcus, you look like you lost a bet.
I did not lose a bet.
You look like the before photo for a haircut you haven't even had yet.
Okay, that one's a bit harsh, that. You're taking the mick.
You started it last week. You said my new coat looked like a duvet.
It did look like a duvet. You looked like you were smuggling a mattress out of IKEA.
It's a nice coat.
So don't come for my hair.
The coat was a one-off. Your hair is a lifestyle.
A lifestyle?
A whole lifestyle. Because you make it so easy.
Right. Listen. For anyone watching who's learning English, Jess is doing something very British right now.
I'm being lovely.
She's taking the mick. It means teasing, making fun of someone, for a laugh.
Also called taking the mickey. Same thing.
And she does it constantly, to me, her so-called friend.
My best mate? That's the whole point.
Anyway, did you see the game Saturday?
I did. I saw your lot lose.
We did not lose.
2-0, Marcus.
It was a draw.
It was 2-0. I watched it.
All right, it was 2-0, but the ref was against us.
The ref's always against you, every week. It's a conspiracy, innit?
It's not a conspiracy. The linesman was blind.
The linesman was fine. Your defence was on holiday.
Our defence is rebuilding.
Your defence has been rebuilding for 6 years, Brav.
These things take time.
It's taken so long they've knocked it down and started again. From the foundations.
At least we scored last season.
You scored against your own team. I saw the own goal.
That was one player.
It was a beautiful finish, to be fair. Top corner, wrong net.
You're winding me up.
I'm not winding you up, I'm just telling you the score.
See, that's actually cold.
You support the worst team in London, and you want me to be nice about it.
They are not the worst team in London.
They're not even the worst team in your house. Your little brother supports a better team.
Okay, now you're just rinsing me.
Oh, I'm rinsing you. I am absolutely rinsing you. And you love it.
I do not love it.
You're smiling.
I'm smiling because I'm planning my revenge. Speaking of revenge, how's the cooking going?
Don't.
How's the cooking going, Jess?
We are not doing this.
This is a woman, and I want the people at home to hear this. This is a woman who set fire to pasta.
That was one time.
You set fire to water with pasta in it.
It smoked for a reason.
Water doesn't smoke, Jess. That's not how water works.
This water did.
Your smoke alarm knows your voice. That's how often it goes off.
Rude.
But true.
The pan was faulty.
The pan was faulty.
Allow it, Marcus.
Nah. I'm not allowing it. This is jokes.
It is not jokes.
It's jokes. It's the funniest thing that's ever happened.
You know what? Fair. That one's fair. That was quite funny.
See, that's how it works. When it's good banter, you take it on the chin.
You take the L, you laugh, and you wait for your moment. And your moment's not now, by the way, because you can't say much.
Meaning?
You drive for a living, and you still can't parallel park.
Excuse me, I am a professional driver.
You're a professional who got done going the wrong way round a roundabout.
That roundabout was confusing.
It's a circle, Marcus. There's one direction. It's a solved problem.
The Sat-Nav told me to.
The Sat-Nav did not tell you to drive up a bus lane. That was all you.
Allow it.
You've got more points on your licence than a darts board.
Now you're rinsing me again.
I'm always rinsing you. Keep up.
This is all jokes to you, innit?
It's a bit jokes, yeah.
And this, for the record, is winding me up. On purpose.
Obviously it's winding you up. That's the fun bit.
For the record, I've got 3 points. 3.
3 points. And a story for every single one.
Right, my turn, since we're being honest.
Go on then. Give it your best.
Them trainers, the ones on your feet right now.
What about them? They're brand new.
They're massive, bruv. You've got 2 loaves of bread strapped to your feet.
They're a designer brand.
They're a designer brand of clown shoe. I hear you coming before I see you.
Okay. See, now that's actually good.
That's what I'm saying. That's the game.
You wound me up. I laugh. And now I'm plotting.
And that, right there, is banter.
Okay, but serious for 1 second, because I think people watching might be confused.
Go on.
How do you know when it's banter? And when someone's actually just being rude to you?
Great question, because this trips people up.
Real banter, proper banter, is between people who like each other.
That's the golden rule. In Britain, you only take the mick out of people you actually love.
If I tease my best mate about his haircut, that's affection. I'm saying, you're one of us. I'm comfortable with you.
But if a stranger said the exact same words, the exact same sentence,
That's rude, because they haven't earned it.
so the test is simple. 1. Is it two-way? Can you give it straight back?
2. Is anyone actually hurt, or are you both smiling?
And 3. Would this person help you if you were in trouble? If yes, it's banter.
Banter is, I'm rinsing you because you're my mate.
Rude is, I'm rinsing you because I want you to feel small. Completely different thing.
Same words, opposite meaning. See, this is the bit people from abroad find mad. In loads of cultures, you're polite to the people you love.
And in Britain, we're polite to strangers, and we are absolutely brutal to our friends.
If a British person is being really, really nice to you, formal, careful, polite,
You might not be that close yet.
but the day they start taking the mick, the day they start winding you up,
That's the day you're in. That's them saying, you're family now.
it's a weird love language, but it's ours.
Think about it. When do you stop teasing someone?
When you don't trust them. When you have to be careful around them.
So the nice, careful, polite voice, that's not the close one,
The close one is the one calling you a Lego man.
which I'm still not over, by the way.
I know, and I stand by it.
So if you move to Britain, or you've got British mates, and they start giving you a hard time,
Don't take offence. Take the compliment.
and then, most important bit, give it straight back.
Give as good as you get. That's how you win us over.
The worst thing you can do is go quiet and take it personal.
Yeah, if you go all silent and hurt, everyone panics.
Nobody knows what to do with you,
But fire one back, even a rubbish one,
even a terrible one.
and we'll respect you forever.
It's backwards, I know.
It's completely backwards. Politeness is for people you don't know.
And the mockery is love.
Right, on that note, I've got to go.
Where you going?
Barbers, apparently.
Oh, now you're taking the mick out of yourself. Growth.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Worksheets in the description. Go and learn some banter.
And remember, if we're rude to you,
It means we like you. See you next time on English Like Locals.